everything to help you level up in life. We are about that. And we're back with another great video about non-PG credit cards for your business. And let's get into it. So the number one top business credit card that does not require a personal guarantee and is soft pull only, no hard credit check, is Divi, D-I-V-V-Y. This is a corporate credit card you have to pay back in full monthly, but very easy to get approved. They basically go off the revenue coming into your business or in your personal bank account. Hooked up with the Plaid software, they read your bank account and give you a limit based on money coming in your business bank account or any bank account you decide to hook up. Great tool, connects with QuickBooks, great accounting software, and you get a digital card or a physical credit card along with this. So try Divi, request a demo. You usually get a phone call back within 24 hours, and they go over everything, ask you to connect your bank account, and you go from there. Next, we have Trivago. Very similar to Divi. All of these have the very similar fashion. Applying does not affect your credit score. So this is a no PG, no hard credit check credit card with fairly high limits. You can use anywhere. Visa logo or MasterCard logo is accepted. So I got physical card, virtual cards, credit. And also this helps along with Divi. Divi reports to all the major business credit bureaus, as well as Trivago, I know, reports to Experian Business. I'm not for sure about the other ones. No personal guarantee or deposit. That's what you guys want to see. Connects with the Plaid platform. So I want to quickly tell you guys about FinTech. FinTech is a new industry, stands for financial technology. Any kind of tech that can read how you're spending your money, where you're swiping your card at, how much you're spending, all that information is being collected from you these days and sold to other companies. Credit scores will be the thing of the past going forward, and it's all about the money coming into your bank account when applying for business credit loans. So just be prepared for that. Try Trivago. Just go to the apply and fill in some information, and they will reach back to you guys. Next, we have Brex. Brex.com, corporate card. This is one that I would not advise for a brand new business. Definitely advise for more established businesses. Most of these want you to be in business for 2 years, but it's kind of hard to determine that, mostly if you're not giving them a lot of information like EIN numbers and anything. But for most of these corporate cards, you just kind of connect your bank account information and they go off of that. Some ask for EIN numbers, some don't. But you definitely need to have making at least up to 10K a month with this Brex to get approved for their card. But if you are doing that, if you have a business with high sales, even though you're not really bringing in that much revenue, but if you bring in high sales, high ticket items like furniture sales, computer software sales, things of that nature, you can get approved for this card and start building business credit and build your business credit surplus of funding, because you never know when you're going to need this money, and you can use all of these cards to liquidate and fund through your bank account, which I have a video titled How to Liquidate Credit Cards in my channel. So make sure you subscribe to the Credit K YouTube channel. Next, we have Capital on Tap. This is the best card. I have 2 videos out about Capital on Tap. Soft pull. Applying will not affect your credit score. Get a decision in a couple of minutes, up to $50,000. And they have it. This card actually US and UK and in Spain. So you guys over in Europe can take advantage of this. APRs can range from 9 up to 34%. You definitely want to pay back this card in full every month because this APR is very high. But you do have the option to have a lingering balance. All you need to pay is up to 10% of the balance each month, and then you can carry the rest over, believe it or not. So take advantage of the Capital on Tap credit card. Integrates with all these cool features. Pretty much just tell them how much you make a month. It's pretty much stated income. You don't have to connect any bank accounts or anything with this one. It's stated income. They will do a soft pull on it. So you do want to have at least a 620, 630 credit score. I've seen people get approved with, 625, 630 credit scores. Nothing below that. But, it's a web bank. So once you get into the system with web bank, it's kind of easy to get approved with a lot of these other cards. So definitely try Capital on Tap. I will try this one first out of the list. It is my personal favorite and one of the ones that gave me the highest limits. Here is the ones I have not applied for or obtained a card for, but I have a bunch of data points around them. And they all work similar fashion to the corporate cards where they go off the money you have rolling through your bank accounts, connect accounts, receive funding. So once you connect your sales accounts, now this one is a slightly different because outside of bank accounts, you connect your Stripe payment system, your PayPal payment system, your Facebook payment system. Anywhere you receive payments, you can connect that. So the good thing, if you use drop shipping, if you don't know what drop shipping is taking, items, taking a picture of an item from one website, listing it on another website, and selling it at a marked up price, and then going back to the first website and shipping it to the customer from there. That is what we call drop shipping. Is a way I was able to jumpstart my e-commerce business. And by me, reselling high ticket items, even though I wasn't making only maybe $10 to $15 per sale, it was on the look as if I was bringing in $2,000 in sales selling those items. So that allowed me to generate more revenue, look good on paper, and acquire loans of higher value. So this is a website, Clear, you can use for that. Try drop shipping to build up your bank account and then apply for a clear.co credit card. Moving right along, we have Ramp. Ramp is another one, corporate credit cards. Corporate cards, anytime you hear that word corporate card, it means you need to pay back in full on the terms. Most terms are 30 days, some go up to 60 or 90 days. Apply today and get $250, okay. But these ones that the Clear Code, Ramp, and the next one I'm going to do are some of the hardest ones to get approved for. They are looking for high revenue already. So you must have some revenue coming in. Not the best for new businesses, but is a way to, get money. So they have some, saving tracking software, some ways to save money. Limited corporate cards, all that good stuff. So they'll give you a limit based on how much revenue coming in, and you can spend and give to your other employees in that matter. Clear Card, last but not least, Big Dog Clear Card. Big Dog Clear Card. Finance built for growing businesses, all in one platform for spend management, credit building, and automated accounting. So they got, spend business credit, credit cards, build business credit with everyday spending. So every day you spend, they report to the credit agencies immediately, no personal guarantees. So you're not getting any hard pulls. Cards are physical and virtual, so you don't have to wait for the physical card to get here to start spending money. They connect to all the QuickBooks, all the accounting software. So like I said, with FinTech, they want to know about what's coming in your bank account, what's coming into your accounting software, and they give you your card and limit based on that. But like you see, they report to all credit bureaus and allows you to boost your credit score. First name, last name, email address, and then they'll either send you the application or have a rep call you for more information, guys. All right. So that is the business credit video of no PG, no hard credit check credit cards for your business that helps you build business credit, that reports to all the bureaus and gets you those 9 to 12 trade lines you need to get vehicles and other things in your business name only. All right, guys. So if you appreciate that video, I appreciate if you do give me a like, hit the subscribe, and share this to anybody that needs it. And also follow me on all social media. Look down below in the description. I have a Facebook group where I give tons of information. You can always ask me a question or sign up for a free credit consultation, and we can see how we can get money for your business or improve your personal credit. All right, guys. All right, let's die.